I hope you guys are doing really well. And today we came up with an important concept, that is on how to create Sunburst chart in MS Excel. I guess you guys have seen this. If I give an example, suppose like you are booking a cricket or else any of the sport game tickets, and you have seen stadiums. You will find stadiums like this, and they will ask which slot you want to choose. Sometimes if we want to see a data in a different cut, we will use this particular chart also. So there are many ways to represent data. This is one of the another way which you can use, that is known as Sunburst chart. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist. You will find 263 plus videos on MS Excel dashboards, reports, like Six Sigma certification, lean management, trainers, team leader, operation manager, operation associate manager, quality analyst, quality team leader, people management, SME roles and responsibilities. Many more videos are there that will help you in cracking the interviews, guys. So today we will learn about how to create this Sunburst chart in MS Excel. So let me delete this. So you can see here I have a data wherein I have data of 3 companies, and monthly wise we have a data, and this is the quality score for each. Now we want to create a Sunburst chart. So just select all the data, and you will go to insert. You have to choose graph. On the top you can see here, and you have to choose more column. You will find the option which is known as Sunburst. Just choose that and OK. If you see here, you got only 2 rows. You can only see you got only 2 rows, but you need 3 rows along with the quality scores. What you will do, on the top you can see here we have an option of select data. So what you have to do is just delete all the cells and re-choose here. Just re-choose everything and okay. Let me again go to select data. Let me edit. Yeah, we got now. Yes, you can see here example Amazon. You can see here Amazon, and for the Amazon you can see here Jan, Feb and March, and these are the quality scores. Same you can see here for Flipkart, Jan and Feb, and these are the quality scores. Same for the DMart, we have only have 1 month which is Jan, and this is the quality scores. And you can adjust the color, size, whatever you required, and you can work on it accordingly. So in this way you can create the Sunburst chart. If you find your data is not added accurately, choose the graph. Don't miss to click on selected data and go to edit, and again reselect all the data here. Automatically you will get all the data in your graph, and the details will get visible here. You can go with many cells here. If you want to go with in depth, you can go there. So in this way you can create a Sunburst chart. Still have any doubt, let me know. Definitely I will try to help you out, guys. Don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon and you will get all the notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist and share your feedbacks and comments if you required videos on any of the topic. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.